Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Scosche brand, their PBJ2000 portable car battery jump starter. The 12-volt jump box, 2000 amp hour battery booster, jumper cables kit. For car, you can work with an 8-liter gasoline or 7-liter diesel engine, and it has an onboard 30-watt fast charge power bank, and a really cool LED light in front. This product gets excellent customer ratings and it has a 1-year warranty. Comes with a nicely written instruction manual, and jump starters like this are excellent to have if all of a sudden you have a car breakdown because you have a low battery. This is a safe and effective way to jump start your car. So it has basic operation. It has a power button right here, and you see it comes on and gives you the status. And then if you hit this, it holds it for a couple seconds. You've got this cool bright LED in there. Hit it again, got a flashing mode, and then SOS mode for emergency, and then off. Really nice. It's got a protective acrylic lens on there. Then you look on the side here, you've got your USB-A output and USB-C. We're going to test that. You can charge anything with that. And it has a nice 12-volt output so that you can power other things that require 12 volts. And the input to charge this whole unit is right there with the USB-C. And it has a basic cable that allows you to charge USB-A to C. And it's got this unique cable right here that plugs in. And then it has a cigarette lighter adapter right on there. And you can power anything that uses cigarette lighter, like a vacuum cleaner, a light. So here is just an example. I have a LED light, and you see it comes on. So it's using that nice 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter. I like that they included that. You don't have to worry about buying that or having one made separately. And it has a nice little holder right here to hold the whole system. And here is the jumper. This is the safe part. And here is the jumper right here, which you got the red and negative and the really high quality clips that are spring loaded, and the connector block right there, which looks like it's unique to this company. And on here it does have safety information. On here it does have status information, how to determine what it's doing, reverse polarity, low jumper battery, timed out, reverse charge, over voltage, temperature. Tells you the resulting things to do, and tells you how long to hold it for a boost, 3 to 5 seconds or so, and that's basically it. And then on the side right here, there is a boost button, so that if you have a totally dead battery, you could really zap some energy into that battery. So on the side of the unit right here, it has the 12-volt output section right there, and there's where you're going to be plugging in the unit right here to do the jump. And it only goes in one way, like that, just like that, plugs right in. Then this is active at that point with the 12 volts ready for the jump and or ready for the boost on there. And we're going to show you how this works. We're going to set it up with a power supply, just give you an idea of what goes on with this. Charging unit is very simple. I have a adapter right here, which is USB-A, 2 amp output, 5 volts, and any USB-C cable will work. And you have the breathing right there that lets you know that it is charging, so you know how to completely charge it. I recommend you charge this once every 3 months so that the internal battery doesn't deplete, because even though you don't have it on, the internal electronics is constantly looking at these switches and wondering why you're pushing them. So that battery will drop down. They all do that. So once every 3 months, give this thing a good charge and it'll be all set to go and put it back in your vehicle. I'm going to demonstrate the basic operation of this unit. Here I have the Power Up 2000 right here connected with its jumper port, and I have a power supply at this is about 12 volts. So let's just going to assume the battery is ready to be jumped. I'm going to connect it. Here a relay click inside here, and look what it did, 15.74 volts. So now it's pulsing this and it's trying to jump start your car battery by sending large amounts of currents through here. And it'll do that even if the battery is totally low. You can see right here the battery was low, and it was still going to 15.75. So here's a simulation of a really dead battery, and if it was extremely low, you'll still do it. And if you hit that boost button, it'll do it with a completely dead battery, which is excellent. So I have a dead battery right now on my car in my garage, and I've got to change the battery, but I'm going to demonstrate this thing. I'm going to jump start it and see how well it works. So we've all had this happen. You go to start your car and you crank it, and this is what you hear. So what do? Take the keys out and jump the vehicle. So here I am in my car with the dead battery, and I'm going to hook up Power Up 2000, just like that. I'm going to go start my car. Now we've got the jumper on there. Now there you go. Car starts just fine. That gives you opportunity to go get battery checked or change it yourself. But it gets you off the road and you don't need a tow. So after testing, what do we think about the Scosche brand, the PBJ2000 portable car battery jump starter? Great product, small profile on this, it's not large. Advanced circuitry to protect the reverse polarity, overheat, over voltage, under voltage. Very nice, very simple operation, the built-in LED on there, the power display. I love everything about this. It worked really well. As you can see, it jumped my car fine. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.